eyebrows are one of the most important parts of your face because they give you expression. Etc. M is for makeup. Make your own makeup up using ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry or your cupboard or your bathroom cabinet. Let's make some DIY chocolate spread lip balm. You will need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, melt it, then 1 heaped tablespoon of the chocolate spread. Give it a mix. Wait till it's nice and smooth. Take a little container, very carefully transfer it in. Put it in the fridge to set for about 10 to 15 minutes. Base it. I can't even tell you how excited this makes me. Let's make some rainbow jelly lip gloss. I'm mixing half a cup of coconut oil with half a cup of Vaseline and melt it together. What's in these little bowls, Suzelle? Different flavored jelly powders. For 1 teaspoon of jelly powder, I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of my mixture. Give it a mix, 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 mix. And you need to make sure that your mixture is warm so that your jelly powder dissolves nicely. Now we're gonna transfer it into this little pill container. Ta-da! Maybe I'm feeling a little bit more zesty today. I'm gonna go with lemon lime. My lips are so kissable. Let's make a DIY setting spray. You will need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rose water, 1 tablespoon of aloe gel, optional, and a few drops of your essential oil. Spray bottle, funnel. Oh, I'm having so much funnel. There's it. A stunning light mist. Go from quite far. Aromatherapy. It's real. Let's make some DIY eyebrow gel. Pop a few drops of essential oils into your Vaseline. Give it a mix. Open your old mascara container. We're going to pop it in. Slow and steady wins the race here, guys. This is how you do eyebrows, guys. You go up, then you swipe across. Like that. Suzelle, you look stunning. DIY lip and cheek stain. Start by chopping up a beetroot. Chop it into chunks. Pop your pieces in the blender. Pop your beetroot pulp into a bowl that's lined with a piece of fabric because we're going to strain it through the fabric. And then we squeeze it. Wow! Out you spot of blood! Out you get! Lady Macbeth by William Shakespeare. I've popped a little bit of Vaseline in this cute little jar and I'm going to take my beetroot extract, drop it in, mix it, and in this little pot I've got pure beetroot. So this one's going to be like a little rouge and this is going to be a stain. We take the pure beetroot, this one's a liquid. Pop it on my lips. It's like a delicious cookie. This is how you get a placement, guys. You make a smile and you go on the apples of your cheeks. And this makes you look fresh and young. You can also use this as a lip balm, this one with the Vaseline. And you can just store it in the fridge and it will last for longer. Let's make some makeup remover wipes. So we need 1/3 of a cup of our water and baby soap mixture and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Give it a mix. And then we take cotton wool pads, about half, put it in. Use it, close it, turn it upside down. Wait for the liquid to draw down to moisten the cotton wools. Oh, it's the end of the day. I'm so exhausted. I just want a fresh face and go and lay on my pillow, watch a series. DIY because anybody can. I didn't really take my makeup off, as you may have noticed now, as I was demonstrating the makeup wipes. And the reason for that is I'm about to shoot another episode, because that's how we do in the biz.